Alright, so I'm just gonna drive Sphero first. So this is our basic drive app. What you do first is you have to orient it so it knows where you are. So put my finger on this icon, I go in a circle until the blue light faces towards me, and now when I push the joystick away, my Sphero moves away. If I pull it back towards me, it comes towards me. So that's sort of the basic app of Sphero, is just driving it around. But you can also program it. So we have draw and drive, where I can draw a shape and then hit play, and then Sphero will actually roll in the shape that I just drew. So that's sort of basic programming of Sphero. Then I can do a little bit more advanced. I can go to a macro lab, and you can put basically a sequence of commands in, and then play those commands back. So this one's actually just going to give a raw motor command, and this thing's just going to start flipping around as soon as I play it. We're using this to teach kids basic programming. So if I wanted to add another command, for instance, I can just hit this little plus, and I can add like a roll command, or I can give it an angle from 0 to 360 and a speed. There's stop commands. You can change the LED. You can put in loops, all different kinds of things. So we're teaching kids about geometry, so they have to make different shapes, and then basic programming of delays and going forward. So it's almost like a real life like logo from back in. Actually, you can program it in BASIC, the basic programming language. We have a BASIC interpreter inside of the ball, so you can do real programming, typing in basic programs. So that's the next step up from macro lab, and then from there you can go to your computer and program it from the computer in 14 different languages. So you can program it in iOS, Android, Unity, but you can also program it in HTML5, Ruby, Node.js, Python, whatever programming language you want.